So, what happens when light or divine energy enters the earth, the human body, or our life situations? Exactly what's happening right now in the world. What most of us in our daily routine fail to understand is that Mother Earth is not stationary in space. As humans evolve, Mother Earth's energy also evolves, and vice versa. Right now, the earth is spiraling into higher consciousness. There's a lot more light, a lot more higher intelligence that is available on the planet right now. And according to the precision of the equinoxes, when the earth is closer to Satyug as we are now, I know it doesn't seem so, but I will explain. The earth is moving closer to the great central sun, also known as the gate of God. When that happens, all the divine frequencies that are entering the planet bring out the darkness from within us so that it can be balanced, transformed, or healed by the energy of the divine. Karma gets faster. You will notice in your own lives, the government, the worldwide, all the old garbage, the scheming, the lies, the greed, jealousy, all the energies that we could easily get away with in the past and are not in alignment with this higher divine energy, they are coming on the surface for healing. The frequency of light that is coming into the planet right now is much higher and faster than ever before, and people cannot hide their true faces anymore. Manipulation is failing. People aren't running blindly into a direction that does not resonate with them anymore just because it is the next best thing to do or somebody else thinks it's good for you. There are more and more people waking up to what their truth is rather than what everybody else is expecting out of them. Look at this divine light as a stream of pure water being flushed into a mucky pipe, also known as the Shushumna Nadi in our body. Similarly, the central channel of the earth, in order to clean the energy, first all the dirty energy needs to get flushed out on the surface. And that is exactly what is happening on the earth right now. What we can do to help with the situation in our own lives as well as for Mother Earth is to keep our focus on the light, on the cleansing, and focusing on all the positive changes this energy is bringing into the surface for healing. For your own life, ask what needs to be changed, transformed, or healed, what patterns are not serving you anymore, what belief systems are not serving you anymore. And when you look towards the world, the situation around you, the best thing you can do is focus on the good that is coming out of it, even if you cannot see it right now. You can pray, meditate, send blessings for the highest good of all to come from the situation. And every culture has a blessing for the world. You can use your own words also. Just a heartfelt energy of love and healing for all will do more good than focusing on all that is going wrong. One of the laws of energy is that where we place our attention, that energy grows stronger. So place your attention on the good that is coming out of the situation, even if you cannot see it right now. Have a nice day.